First open application will just ask you some information. Just enter the information correctly and you should be good to go. So that's really pretty much it, and I'm just gonna enter some random stuff here to just get it started. So once you have done entered everything, you're pretty much good to go. It will give you a fitness plan based on what you have selected. So do make sure you select the correct information so it can give you the best fitness plan based on your information. So as you can see here, they do offer a 1-year subscription, weekly subscription, and you do get a free trial as well. So you can always get their free trial and test out their subscription, their pro features for this application here. As you can see here, they also given discount for the new here. So nothing much for that. And once you're finished, it will pretty much show you the plans. As you can see here, you have the day 1 workout section here, and you have some other workouts which can be done. Tap on the get plan option. Once you have selected that, it will pretty much load up everything as it relates to your plan and your workout. So you do get the option to start right away, as you can see here, and you can tap on the exercise option down here to see other exercise as well. You can see strength exercises. You can see most of these may be blurred out because you don't have a subscription and so forth. You have other routines which you can do as well. You have other full body workout, chest, tricep workout, a lot of other workouts which you can also do as well. You have the explore option which allows you to see other workouts. As you can see here, strong back workouts, a lot of different workouts. All you have to do is just tap on the one that you want. For example, here you can also adjust the workout that you want to go next. You can swipe across, select something. Let's say you want this one here to go next. Let me just go back, tap on the select option so you can replace whichever exercise you want to go next. And if I do tap on the exercise, it does give you how the workout must be done and pretty much everything as it relates to the workout. You have the volume option, how the workout should be done, and pretty much everything, guys. Pretty much everything. And they do give you a video as well. So nice animation as it relates to the workout video. And once you tap on the 3 lines over here, you'll be able to replace it. Replacing AI meaning you get something based off AI knowledge, and that's pretty much it. I can also remove it by swiping across like that. And yeah, so very good application if you're looking to get fit and keeping your body up and running. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if it can help you out. See you in the next one.